Morning everyone, how are you? I've got my Tokyo ears on. It's not Tokyo Day, it's a Hong Kong pin day. So I thought, why not? It's our magic, whoop! It's our magic launch day pin opening today. So join me the other side of the intro and let's see which wonderful pins I've got. Hit it, maestro. I hope you're really well. If it's your first time watching, hi, I'm Karen. And today, as I said, we're going to be opening the Magic Launch Bay pins. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, I have the Hong Kong edition, which is 5 open edition pins and 1 limited edition pin. I adore this service, I really do. I'll put the link down below. It isn't a subscription. You have to order them when you want them. It's not a monthly thing at the moment. I'm just waiting for them to do that so I can click that button. But these are amazing and they come from Hong Kong. So there's all different packs and what have you, but I order the Hong Kong edition. So let's open it up. That's what you see inside. So what have we got? Dear Karen, thank you for support to Magic Launch Bay. It is our pleasure to meet you in this pin trading community. Hope you will enjoy the pins received. We are awaiting to send you another box of pins. Thank you. Happy trading, Magic Launch Bay. How fab is that? And that's Pumba. Pumba as a baby. Isn't that fab? Right, so what I particularly like about this company is when they pack the pins, I'm just taking all of the paper out, everything is upside down. So as I'm opening it, I don't know what pins they are until you see them because I show you first. Did you like that? I like that. And the open edition ones, they put them on their own cards, but you'll see what I mean. So without further ado, let's get the first one out. And they all come in little black bags. So the first one. And that is the first one. Oh, that's Figaro as a cat. Sorry, that's Figaro as a fish. He's a cat, isn't he, Figaro? What are you on, Karen? And look at these fabulous cards. Aren't they fabulous? They put them on. Oh, that's lovely. And it's a hidden Mickey. Got a hidden Mickey Figaro. What's it say on the back? It is, where's my magnifying glass? Right, it says on the back, it's a hidden Mickey pin, 6 of 8 from Hong Kong Disneyland. Yeah, I love this. I think this subscription service is amazing. Will that go into focus? Is it focusing on my ears? So that's what it says on the back. And then on my new pin board, from Graham Crafters, and I'll link them down below. You can see it properly, so I can go really close up. Isn't that adorable? And the hidden Mickey on it. Right then, so next one. I can see it's a Stitch. I can see it's a Stitch. Let's have a look. It's out of a mystery box, I think. It's number 6 of 10. So let's put that over here. Oh, isn't that cute? Really lovely. And I don't have either of those. That's the thing I love about this pin box. There's lots of them for America. And some of them do ship to the UK, tremendous cost in postage. But I like this because in the American mystery boxes, I get so many pins from America, the chances are I've already got them. Whereas these, unless I've specifically bought it, it's because obviously I would buy it, wouldn't I? Unless it's one in my collections, I wouldn't have had it. So let's have a look at the back of this one. What's this one? Oh, it doesn't say. Right, okay. But it's Dumbo because I can tell by the shape. Yeah, it's Dumbo. Right, let's put this one on here. Isn't that fabulous? They're just lovely pins. Oh, it's 6 of 16, so that's out of a mystery set as well. They're just really lovely. Okay, next one. So this one I think will be another one out of a set because it's on one of their backing cards again. So I'm just going to put it straight on. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's got glitter on it. And it's Shelley May. And who did I go around the park? So I was Shelley May with my bag from my lovely friend Rachel. Isn't that fab? And can I just say, are you loving my pin board? Isn't it amazing? Yeah, you've got to go and check their shop out. They're amazing, Graham Crafters. Right, now this one is actually on its own card. So it's a standalone pin. It'll be an open edition, but it's heavy. No, I have this one. I do have it, but it doesn't matter because now I've got one to trade at the pin event, so that's fine. But it's actually the Sleeping Beauty 60th pin. But how fabulous to actually get that inside my box. And it's a limited edition, this one. So I think I actually had 2 limited editions in this one, if I'm not wrong. And it opens up. What a beautiful pin. And this one is a limited edition of just 600, and I now have 2. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that because I'm trying to get some really unusual traders for the pin event because I've never been before, and I know I can take my regular pins, but I want to get some special ones to try and get some special pins in return. I know if I just go with normal pins it's not going to work. So, and then we've got one more, and I know it's an Easter one because I can see Mickey's head poking through the back. Can't believe that. I've had 2 limited edition ones in this and it's only meant to be 1. That's just amazing. Oh no, that was my limited edition. This isn't, but this is fabulous. Oh, I am thrilled. I am thrilled. As you know, we've just done Tokyo Disneyland, and yes, and they didn't have any of the Easter pins. They'd all gone. But this one, look, Mickey and Minnie with their ears on. And it's a spinner because I'll have to take it off to spin it. And on the other side we've got Donald. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, so I've had those on my 5 regular pins, and then I've had my Sleeping Beauty as my limited edition pin. I love this. You can tell I absolutely love this. And I've got 2 more boxes and I'm so dying to open them. But I'm not. We'll do it slowly. Because I kind of ordered a few in advance because I'm terrified I'm going to run out of boxes. And it's a killer, isn't it? Not doing it, but I love those. Yeah, I love those. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button at the end of the video. It doesn't cost you anything, it just means I become one of your favourites in your newsfeed. And then if you enjoy my videos, you'll find them. But if you click the notification bell as well, that means that they'll notify you when I upload a video, and then it's entirely up to you if you want to watch it or not, but it just keeps you in the loop, and then you know if you want to watch it or you know if you don't. So that's what I really like. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for everyone. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.